Let me ask you guys, have you ever wondered how the food you eat gets on your plate? Well, today we're gonna be diving into some food processing machines that will make your taste buds dance with excitement. From machines that peel, slice, dice and chop, to those that cook, bake and blend, we've got it all covered. But wait, that's not all. These machines aren't just about keeping you full. That's right, we're talking about machines that can make your favorite snacks, desserts, and even healthy meals in a flash. Let's start with number 1, the bowl chopper. First of all, this thing can save you a ton of time and effort. All you've got to do is simply place your ingredients in the bowl and the blade chops and mixes everything to your desired consistency. And you see, chopping ingredients with a knife can be tedious and time consuming, but with a bowl chopper, you can chop everything in a matter of seconds. Plus, the rotating blade ensures that everything is evenly chopped, which can be tough to achieve with a knife. Another great feature of a bowl chopper is that it can handle a variety of ingredients. From veggies and fruits to meats and cheeses, a bowl chopper can chop and mix just about anything. If you're looking to make your own ground meat, a bowl chopper is the way to go. Simply toss in your meat and let the machine do the work. You'll have perfectly ground meat in no time. And these days, most bowl choppers are compact and can easily fit on your countertop. Plus, they're easy to clean, so you won't have to worry about spending hours scrubbing away at the machine. Number 2, the meat slicer. Maybe sometimes you might need something more than a mixer. If you're a meat lover, then you're in for a real treat. Imagine slicing through a fat piece of meat with ease, without any hassle. That's exactly what a meat slicer can do for you. It's the ultimate kitchen companion for any meat lover out there. But it's not just about slicing meat. A meat slicer can slice through cheese, vegetables, and even bread. It's a great machine that can handle a variety of food items. So whether you're having a party or just cooking for your family, a meat slicer can come in really handy. Now let's talk about what you guys can get out of owning a meat slicer. Firstly, it saves time. Instead of spending hours slicing through meat manually, a meat slicer can do the job in minutes. Plus, it gives you those equally sized slices, which makes your dishes look even more appealing. Secondly, it saves money. Buying pre-sliced meat or cheese from the grocery store can be expensive, but with a meat slicer, you can buy it in bulk and slice it yourself. This way you can save money in the long run. But the best part about owning a meat slicer is the control it gives you. You can adjust the thickness of your slices to your liking. Want thick slices for your sandwiches? No problem. Want thin slices for your salads? Done. With a meat slicer, you're in complete control. Number 3, the ribbon blender. Now, this ain't your ordinary blender. This bad boy is used for a ton of different industries, from cosmetics to pharmaceuticals, and of course, the food industry. This mixer is used for combining solids with other solids and solids with liquids. It's like a match made in foodie heaven. But let me tell you, it's not just about what it can mix together. It's also about how it does it. The ribbon blender is designed with cutting-edge technology that ensures an even and homogeneous blend every single time. It can be used in batch or continuous flow forms, making it versatile and perfect for all kinds of food and processing needs. And the best part? The ribbon blender can handle high volumes of both dry and wet powders. That's right, it can take on anything from granules to talcum powder to low viscosity paste and liquids. It's like a superhero for your food processing needs. Number 4, the chapati making machine. You see, with a chapati making machine, you can kiss goodbye to the tiresome process of mixing, kneading, and rolling the dough. The machine does all that for you. You just need to put the dough into the compartment, and voila, the machine will do the rest. It'll mix, knead, and press the dough into thin discs that's perfect for cooking. Not only that, but the machine also comes with a griddle or tawa that's used for cooking the chapati. So you don't have to worry about burning your chapatis or uneven cooking. The machine ensures that your chapatis are perfectly cooked every time, without any effort on your part. And the best part, these machines are available in both manual and automatic versions. Now, if you guys are confused between these two, while the automatic version is more productive and consistent, the manual version is great for those who prefer to make their chapatis by hand. You get it? So, no matter what your preference is, there's a chapati maker for everyone. And of course, making chapatis by hand is considered an art form and has a special cultural importance. However, if you're running a busy restaurant or catering business, or if you simply want to save time and effort, the chapati making machine is a must-have. With these machines, you can produce a huge quantity of chapatis in no time, without compromising on taste or quality. Plus, you'll be able to maintain consistency in the size and shape of the chapatis, which is essential for your professional kitchen. Number 5. The potato peeling machine. We've all been there, spending hours peeling potatoes for chips or sandwiches. But haven't you guys ever wished for a solution to that? Well, this device can remove potato skins in the blink of an eye. No more time-consuming and tedious peeling with a knife. The potato peeling machine can handle large quantities of potatoes at once, making it a favorite in commercial kitchens like those found in hotels, restaurants, and cafeterias. Now, there are many different types of potato peeling machines to choose from. You have brush peelers, which use a spinning brush to remove the skin. Then there are blade peelers that use sharp blades to get the job done. And finally, there are peelers that sandblast the skin off using high-pressure jets of abrasive particles. And meanwhile, if you guys love to enjoy spending hours in the kitchen peeling potatoes while your family and friends are out having fun, but the rest of us who want to enjoy a home-cooked meal without sacrificing precious time, the potato peeling machine is a game changer. Think about it. It cuts back on waste, labor, and time. Plus, it makes potato peeling kind of fun. Okay, maybe not fun, but definitely more enjoyable. You can spend your time doing other things, like prepping other ingredients or sipping on some drinks. Number 6. Sausage filler. Every time we've made those hot dogs, we've wished for these, right? With its precise functioning and ease of use, you'll get some pretty delicious sandwiches in no time. The sausage filling machine is not just limited to stuffing meat, it is also great for fish and other items. Plus, you have the option to use natural, collagen-based or synthetic casings. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, the piston is easy to clean and can be removed for your convenience. No more struggling with hard-to-clean manual stuffers. Plus, the machine comes with different filling nozzles installed by default. Overall, the sausage filler machine is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and wants to make the process much better. Trust me, when you start using this amazing machine, you'll never go back to those manual stuffers again. And finally, we have number 7, a meat grinder. We talked about meat slicers, right? Why don't we talk about something more useful? It's a simple yet effective culinary tool that finely cuts and minces raw or cooked meat, fish, vegetables, and other similar foods. It replaces tools like the mincing knife, which can be quite tedious to use. The best part? You can use it to make your own ground meat mixtures with your favorite spices and seasonings. The meat grinder has a funnel on top that receives the food that will be minced. The material then enters a horizontal screw conveyor that is either operated by an electric motor or a hand crank. The screw mixes and squashes the food, which is then fed via fixed plate to the screw's tip before leaving the machine. And guess what? You can even make breadcrumbs or stuffed sausage casings by altering the whole plate. I mean, how cool is that? And if you guys were wondering about the cleaning part, don't even mind. The grinding device can be entirely dismantled for cleaning by removing the mounting screw, so you don't have to worry about any leftover meat or dirt getting stuck in the machine. And the best part, it's not just for residential use. Butcheries and food businesses also use these machines to produce several tons of ground meat every hour. So if you're looking for a machine that can handle heavy-duty use, a meat grinder is definitely worth the investment. So what do you guys think? Dope or nope? Drop your views in the comments section below. We'll meet again in another episode, and until then, goodbye.